The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth. This is a powerful image. It suggests that the rainforest breathes out the oxygen we need to survive. However, this is a misconception. While the Amazon does produce vast amounts of oxygen, it also consumes a similar amount through decomposition. The Amazon is a complex ecosystem. It is a delicate balance of life and decay. Dead plants and animals decompose on the forest floor. This process consumes oxygen. Therefore, the Amazon's net contribution to global oxygen levels is relatively small. The Amazon plays a vital role in the global oxygen cycle. Photosynthesis is at the heart of this process. Plants use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. The Amazon, with its vast expanse of trees, is a powerhouse of photosynthesis.
However, we must remember the process of decomposition. This process breaks down dead organic matter. Decomposition consumes oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The Amazon's high rate of decomposition offsets much of the oxygen produced through photosynthesis.
While the Amazon's oxygen contribution is often overstated, its role as a carbon sink is undeniable. The rainforest absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This carbon is stored in the trees and soil. This carbon storage is crucial in regulating the global climate. Deforestation, however, releases this stored carbon back into the atmosphere. This contributes to the greenhouse effect and accelerates climate change. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot. It is home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species. This includes a staggering array of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms. Many of these species are found nowhere else on Earth. The Amazon's biodiversity is not just a spectacle of nature. It is vital for the health of the ecosystem. Each species plays a role in maintaining the balance of this complex web of life.
Section 5. Ecosystem Services, the Amazon's Gifts. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a treasure trove of natural wonders and vital resources. The Amazon rainforest provides numerous ecosystem services. These services are the benefits that humans derive from the natural world, and they are crucial for our survival and well-being. These are benefits that humans derive from the natural world. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, the Amazon plays a pivotal role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystems. These services are essential for our well-being and survival. They include climate regulation, water cycle regulation, and soil fertility. Without these services, life as we know it would be drastically different.
Climate regulation. As a carbon sink, the Amazon helps to regulate global climate patterns. It absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change.
Water cycle regulation. The rainforest plays a crucial role in the water cycle, influencing rainfall patterns. The Amazon's vast network of trees and plants releases water vapor into the atmosphere, which then returns as rainfall, sustaining both the forest and surrounding regions.
Soil fertility. The rainforest's rich biodiversity contributes to soil fertility, supporting agriculture. The decomposition of plant material enriches the soil, making it fertile and capable of supporting diverse plant life.
These services are invaluable. They are a testament to the importance of preserving the Amazon. The health of the Amazon is directly linked to the health of our planet. We rely on the rainforest for our own well-being. Protecting the Amazon is not just about conserving a distant wilderness. It's about safeguarding our future and ensuring that these vital ecosystem services continue to support life on Earth.
Section 6. Deforestation, a dire threat. Deforestation is the most pressing threat to the Amazon rainforest. Vast areas of rainforest are cleared every year. This is driven by a number of factors, including
Agriculture land is cleared for cattle ranching and soybean cultivation.
logging. Trees are harvested for timber and paper production.
Mining. The Amazon is rich in mineral resources, leading to mining activities.
Deforestation has devastating consequences. It not only destroys habitats, but also releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This accelerates climate change and its associated impacts.
Section 7. Climate change, a looming danger. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is facing an unprecedented threat from climate change. Climate change poses a significant threat to the Amazon rainforest. This vast and vital ecosystem is being pushed to its limits by rising global temperatures and human activities. Rising temperatures and changes in rainfall patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem. This can lead to a cascade of negative effects, impacting not just the flora and fauna, but also the indigenous communities that rely on the forest for their livelihoods.
Increased droughts. Droughts make the rainforest more susceptible to wildfires. These fires can spread rapidly, causing widespread destruction and releasing large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, further exacerbating climate change.
Changes in species distribution. Species may struggle to adapt to shifting climate conditions. Many plants and animals are highly specialized and cannot easily relocate or adjust to new environments, leading to a loss of biodiversity.
Forest dieback large-scale tree mortality can occur due to extreme weather events. This not only reduces the forest's ability to sequester carbon, but also disrupts the habitat for countless species.
The impacts of climate change on the Amazon are complex and far-reaching. Addressing climate change is crucial for the long-term survival of the rainforest. It requires global cooperation and immediate action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, protect existing forests, and restore degraded areas. The future of the Amazon, and indeed our planet, depends on the steps we take today.
Illegal activities are another major threat to the Amazon rainforest. These activities often operate outside the law and with little regard for environmental regulations.
They include illegal logging. Trees are harvested illegally, often from protected areas. Illegal mining operations are conducted without proper permits or environmental assessments. Wildlife trafficking. Animals are poached and trafficked for the illegal pet trade.
These illegal activities are driven by profit and greed. They undermine conservation efforts and contribute to the destruction of the rainforest. Despite the challenges, there are ongoing efforts to conserve the Amazon rainforest. These efforts involve a range of stakeholders, including
Governments implementing policies to protect the rainforest and combat deforestation, NGOs, working on the ground to conserve biodiversity and promote sustainable practices. Local communities playing a vital role in protecting their ancestral lands.
conservation efforts focus on
Protected areas, establishing national parks and reserves to safeguard biodiversity. Sustainable forestry, promoting logging practices that minimize environmental impact. Community-based conservation, empowering local communities to manage and protect their resources.
Indigenous communities have lived in the Amazon rainforest for centuries. They possess a wealth of knowledge about the rainforest and its ecosystems. Their traditional practices are often sustainable and in harmony with nature.
Indigenous knowledge is crucial for conservation efforts. It provides valuable insights into sustainable resource management. Traditional practices can guide sustainable harvesting and resource use. Medicinal plants. Indigenous communities have a deep understanding of the rainforest's medicinal properties, ecosystem dynamics. Their knowledge can help scientists understand the complex interactions within the rainforest.
The future of the Amazon rainforest hangs in the balance. This vast and vibrant ecosystem, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is facing unprecedented threats from deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change. The consequences of losing this precious resource would be catastrophic, not just for the region, but for the entire planet. Its fate depends on the choices we make today. Every decision, from the products we buy to the energy we consume, plays a crucial role in determining the future of the Amazon. By opting for sustainable choices, we can collectively reduce the pressure on this fragile ecosystem. Protecting this vital ecosystem requires a global effort. Governments, organizations, and individuals from all corners of the world must come together to implement policies and practices that prioritize the health of the Amazon. International cooperation is key to ensuring that the necessary resources and support are available to protect this irreplaceable treasure.
We must reduce our carbon footprint. Addressing climate change is paramount to protecting the Amazon. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing emissions, and promoting energy efficiency are critical steps in mitigating the impact of climate change on the rainforest. Support sustainable practices. choosing products from companies committed to sustainability. By supporting businesses that prioritize eco-friendly practices, we can drive demand for sustainable goods and reduce the environmental impact of our consumption, empower local communities, supporting the rights and livelihoods of indigenous communities. These communities are the stewards of the rainforest, and their traditional knowledge and sustainable practices are invaluable in preserving the Amazon. By empowering them, we ensure the protection of their land and culture.
The Amazon rainforest is not just a South American treasure, it is a global asset. Its vast biodiversity and critical role in regulating the Earth's climate make it indispensable to the health of our planet. Its preservation is essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. The Amazon's rich biodiversity, including countless plant and animal species, many of which are yet to be discovered, holds the key to numerous scientific and medical advancements. It is a shared responsibility that demands our urgent attention and collective action. By working together, we can ensure that the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive, providing invaluable benefits to our planet and future generations. Let us commit to making a difference, one choice at a time.